River's flowing now.
What?
River's flowing now. Looks good.
Oh,
perfect.
So it turns all of it.
I like it.
It doesn't all go here.
Oh, it looks like a real river. The boat will float.
We didn't dig it really deep if we want to float boats in here. Calvin.
Calvin is digging it deep. He's doing a handful at a time, making a huge trench.
Oh my gosh, it's just rolled for no reason.
Watch your forehead.
Oh, it's getting deep here. And there's a big rock. Get down there. Over there. There's a big rock. So, get it. There we go. Oh, I think it's a bone. Bring your boat over here, and I think it will go through because I made a really deep trench for it.
Okay. Just trying. Maybe it's just a slow boat. Slow boat to nowhere.
Oh, bug! It's going. Oh, it keeps hitting me.
It's too
There's a lot of
grippy.
grippy water. There's
There's not
none
enough.
of the water is not moving. It's clogging up over there. Calvin, come here.
What?
Having troubles?
What's that?
Do you usually need scissors to start it?
Nope.
Oh, I've never heard of a birthday ball, but I bet it's going to be part of other families' traditions
cool.
too.
It's very cool. Very cool. This is weird. This is like hairy. We've never had a hairy.
No, it's yawn.
Oh, it's gonna be messy.
Oh, nice.
Thanks, Grace.
There's a lot of little feet cut out.
This is gonna be around us for a long time. Bah! Okay.
And you will let me do it. No! Nobody touch it!
Okay, I see something. I see something. Griffin, you see it?
Yeah. Sensing.
Uh-oh. What is it? What is it? Hey, yeah, good.
Pretty cool. Awesome.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Griffin.
Griffin, are you the designated? Griffin, what are you talking about? What do we got here?
There's something blue. Yeah, it's the wrapping paper. No, there's another one.
Oh.
That'd be easy to take out.
There's something here.
I know.
It's red! Something's red! And it's almost... It fell out! Griffin.
Wow, this is a nice...
Hey! Oh!
Oh!
I can't see that well, Grace. So how do I add water, Grace?
Just open it.
Just put it in your
Get
mouth.
some glasses on. You'll figure it out.
Ooh, can I try on the glass?
like a glass of water?
Can I see?
Very nice.
Cal?
I think you're supposed
Whoop.
the padoodly.
Spread the
What did
padoodly
you
cross
say?
country. It's a padoodly.
Whatever.
Padoodle.
Awesome! Yippee! Cool! So cool! So cool! So cool!
Oh, there's more.
What is
It's a
that?
party popper.
Oh, it's one of those.
A popper?